Okay. Good morning, students. How are you all? Are you all fine? So, finally we are back from our holidays. So today we will start chapter 5, okay, which is list and images in HTML. Okay. In this chapter, these are the points which we will cover. Okay, these are the points to cover. First, we will see what is the structure of the HTML document. Then we will see what are the elements present there. Then we will study about cascading style sheets. Okay, you will come to know there are mainly 3 types of sheets which we will study in detail. That we will study. Then we will see how we can set the background of the document. Okay. Then we will go for creating list. Okay. Creating list. Then we will study in detail how to insert images and what is the role and function of images. Okay. In today's class, we will cover only 2 topics, that is structure and elements. Clear? So first, students, let us go for the introduction of the chapter. Okay, let's know something about HTML. I think you have studied about HTML in your previous class also. So could you tell what is HTML actually? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And you can see language. Students, language symbolizes that HTML is a kind of computer language. Okay? Whenever we type something in the web browser, okay, or in the internet or anywhere, the language which is used, okay, the format which is used, that language is known as HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Clear? See, whenever we study about HTML, okay, HTML directly relates to the web. Web means internet. So it is the standard language. It is the standard language, okay, for the documents which are designed to be displayed in the web browser. You may have seen many type of documents online for your projects or for your notes purposes. So when you see those, okay, they are written in a particular format. That's why they are able to be displayed on the browser. That's why we call this as Hypertext Markup Language. Clear? So that is what HTML is. Then in HTML there are many other technologies being used. Like I told you about cascading data sheets, cascading style sheets, and some other languages also like JavaScript or etc. This you may not study, but cascading style sheets we will study, okay, in detail. Then this was first time created by Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, Tim Berners-Lee and Robert Cailliau. Okay, Robert Cailliau. These 2 persons have the credit to start HTML for the first time, and that was in the year 1989. Clear? When we come to structure of HTML document, then it consists of 2 parts. One is the head and other is the body. Okay, head and body. When we look on head consists of the title of the document. Head consists of the title of the document. But body will consist of the actual document, that is text, images or other things, whatever are there inside the document, all those contents will be present in the body part. Okay, head part will only consist of the title. Clear? So this is what the basic structure we can say of HTML document. Now we will see the video in which you can see how the HTML document looks like and how the page opens and how it is. Okay, it will be a short video, you will understand well. Clear?
Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the structure of an HTML page. So here's an example of a simple web page. We see that up in the browser tab, this web page has a title. It says My First Web Page. And on the actual page we have the phrase hello. Now suppose we were trying to write the HTML document that creates this web page. We have the text My First Web Page and we have the text hello. Now, how can we tell the browser that we actually want the My First Web Page text to go up in the browser tab and we want the hello text to actually appear on the page? Well, it turns out HTML has plenty of tags that help us tell the browser where we want the text to go. We have tags that can define the structure of the HTML page. So here is the skeleton for a basic HTML page. And there's a lot going on here, so let's break this down tag by tag and see what each tag is doing. So here we have the doc type. Doc type tells the browser which version of HTML we are using. So this tag says that we're using HTML5. Note that this is not an actual HTML tag. This is just a comment at the top of the file telling the browser which version of HTML we're using. You'll need this at the top of all of your HTML pages. Next we have the HTML tag. The HTML tag says that everything between the opening and closing tag is our HTML page. The HTML tag is the container for all other tags. Our entire page is going to go inside of the HTML tag. Now we have the head tag. The head tag contains important information about the document. It contains metadata. So metadata is data that describes data. So the head is data about the actual page. It's not the page itself, it's just information about the page. And there's a few special tags we can include in here. Specifically, we can include the title. So the title tag defines the title of the web page. This is data about the web page. It's describing it. This is the title. So the title is actually displayed in the top of the web browser inside the tab. Down here we have the body tag. Now the body tag is where the actual content for the document goes. The text, the images, everything on your actual web page, it goes inside the body tag. And this is where most of your HTML tags will go. Most of the time when you're building a web page, it's going to be inside the body tag.
I hope now you are clear with the structure of HTML document, that how it looks like. Okay, now we will move to the next topic. The next topic for today will be the HTML5 elements. Okay, now we'll see the elements. When we come to the elements of HTML5, okay, you can see the different elements here. Can you see? You can see the different elements here, the name of the elements. See, first you can see HTML, okay, then you can see head, then title, then body, then line break, paragraph, heading, horizontal rule, bold, italic, comments. Okay, so all these are the elements. Now we'll consider about the tag. Now you can see the next column which shows you the tag. What actually tag is? Students, what do you mean by tag? Whenever you purchase a new cloth or whenever you purchase any new utensil or article, what happens? You may see the tag there. Okay, tag shows the basic structure or the details of the particular thing or article or anything. So here this tags will tell you that how the element works. Okay, how the element works. So here first one you can see is HTML tag. HTML, see, HTML is written over the symbols. Okay, inside the symbols, then dot dot dot, then HTML with the sign, then slash HTML, then again sign close. Then second one, head. Okay, we studied about the head. Where is the head present? So this is the manner in which the head is shown. Okay, Then for the title it is given, then for the body also, then for the line break, then paragraph, then heading. See, in this way the heading is written, then horizontal rule, then bold, italic, comments. All these elements have their own tags. Clear? Elements and their tag. Now we'll see the description, what each tag or the see. The first one, HTML tag or the HTML element defines the structure of a web page. Okay. While seeing the HTML element or the HTML tag, this will define how your HTML web page or your web page will look like. The structure of web page is shown by HTML element. Then comes the head. Okay. This will specify the information. Suppose, for example, we are studying a computer book. Okay, we are studying a computer book. So the cover page of your book, that is computer written there. Okay, that computer shows that it is the HTML element. Okay, your front page of the book is the HTML element. Then when we are today studying the 5th chapter, so this page, this particular page gives you the head element. Why? Because this is specifying that inside this book we are studying chapter 5. Clear? So that is the specification. Then comes the title. Title will specify the title of the page, web page. Okay. Suppose, for example, today we are studying HTML elements. Yes. So this HTML element is the title of the class, of the chapter, title of the chapter. Okay. Then comes the body. See, body will specify the content of a web page. Means everything. Whatever content we are going to show in our document, HTML document, comes under the body. Okay. Then line break. Suppose you want to insert a blank line between the content. Okay. Suppose you need to start a new sentence by leaving one line. So you have to write there. Okay, you will have to write this format there, BR. This will show that you have skipped. You cannot just writing in the copy, you can put, or writing in the Word document, you can put enter and break the line. But here it is not possible like that. You have to write BR. This will show the user that you are breaking a line. Okay. Then the paragraph. If you need to change a paragraph, okay, if you need to change a particular paragraph, then you have to show the symbol. This will display that you have changed a paragraph. Then heading. Okay. If you want to display the heading in different font sizes. Okay, different font sizes means especially whenever we write a heading or we put a heading, we highlight that. Yes. So whenever you will highlight this will show you that you are putting the heading, or this is the heading part. So you have to show it with this one. Clear? Then horizontal rule. Horizontal rule. Rule means a line. Okay. Whenever you will write HR there. Okay, this is the short form of horizontal rule. So whenever you will write HR in your document, it will simply add a horizontal line across the web page. A horizontal line will be added. Clear? Then next comes the bold. If you want to make a particular text bold, then you will write this format, this tag. Okay. Then if you want to do italics, then this tag. Then if you want to write the comment, how we write the comment? How we write the comment? We put certain bullets or we put numbering, all those things. So if you want to write like that, then you have to use this. You have to write the particular symbol which you want to use, close it inside the symbols, and then you have to write there. So this will show you the complete how your HTML document will work. Clear? So today in this class we have studied about the structure of HTML document, and also we have studied about the HTML elements. If you have any doubt, then you will let me know. Clear? Okay. So today's homework for you is you have to draw the HTML5 elements table in your notebook. Okay, and you will by heart those because they are very important, and you should know all the elements because when we will move on towards the next topic, it should be known to you. Clear? So this is your homework part. If you have any kind of doubt, any doubt regarding this, you may let me know. Okay. Thank you, students.